The Radom Air Show is a biannual celebration in the city of Radom, Poland. It was first held in the year 2000 during the last weekend of August. This is attended by the air forces of Europe and Russia, which gather with their military planes for the show. They entertain visitors through elaborate stunts and performances from different types of aircraft. On the 1st of September 2007, 3 Zlin Z-526 aircraft from the Żelazny aerobatics team were performing their display. Before the show, someone was able to capture the pilots practicing their maneuvers on the ground. This was the last time that they will be practicing together. While on the air, one critical maneuver subjected the 3 aircraft to fly towards a central point coming from different directions. 2 of the aircraft, one piloted by Piotr Banachowicz and the other by the group's founder, Lech Marchelewski, struck each other at right angles, destroying both aircraft and killing both pilots instantly. Poland's largest air show was torn apart during the collision. These photos from Reuters shows the gruesome fate of the planes and their pilots. The 2 machines shattered into smallest parts due to the impact of the collision. Although the collision happened a few hundred meters from the audience, no one was hurt on the ground. The 2-day show was ended prematurely due to the incident.